Hey guys, this is Dahlia from Dahlia La Artista, and I'm about to show you a 60-second skincare routine. First, I'm gonna go in with a cleanser that also has a moisturizing effect. Now that my skin is clear from excess dirt, I'm gonna go in with a scrub plus a clay mask from Fluid. Now I really love this product because it's a 2-in-1. You get a scrub and a clay mask. So remember to always push up and don't forget your neck.
Spooky.
Now while I wait for all this goodness to soak up into my skin, I'll go in with a Milk Makeup Lip Moisturizer because we can't forget our peckers, man. Remember to show your skin some love today.